According to circuit diagram, we join the negative terminal of the battery to the one end of the meter bridge, and the positive terminal of the battery joined to the another end of the meter bridge, and then in between we have joined the resistance box and the unknown resistance, and a galvanometer had joined, and with the galvanometer one end we have joined a jockey as you are looking. Let's switch in the battery in AC power and on the battery, and let first check the connection. Deflection should be in a positive direction at both ends. Switch off the battery now and take out one resistance from the resistance box and try to find the null point. At this length we have got the null point. Reading is from positive terminal three centimeter. This is L, and we repeat this reading by taking different resistances from the resistance box again and again, and we can calculate the value of unknown resistance. Experiment number 2. Object: to determine the resistance of the given wire using meter bridge and hence determine the specific resistance of material. The equipments: meter bridge, resistance box, battery, key, jockey, unknown resistance. Formula used, as you know, P upon Q equals to R upon X, where X is the unknown resistance, P L and Q 100 minus L resistance R from the resistance box, and X is the unknown resistance. Then we solve it, we get the X equals to 100 L minus L upon L, and the specific resistance rho is the X pi D square upon 4L, where D is the diameter of the unknown wire and L is the length of the wire. Then come to observation table. I have made a observation table here. Serial number, resistance box reading, length of wire L from null point 100 minus L, then X equals to R 100 minus L upon L, and the mean of the resistance, unknown resistance X. You take 1, 2, 3, 4 reading. We will calculate the length of the wire with the meter scale, the diameter of the wire screw gauge, and find out the specific resistance, which equals to X pi D square upon 4L, and the result we will write the result specific resistance of the given material, and what should be the precautions there. End of the connections of the wire should be rubbed and cleaned with the sandpaper. Plug in the resistance box should be pressed and tightly, otherwise if we lose the resistance we will not get the proper. The wire should not be pressed with the jockey too hard, because the resistance may vary. And the errors what should be: the wire of the meter bridge may not be uniform the area of the cross section throughout the लेंथ, ये कंफर्म बात है। द थिक कॉपर स्ट्रिप्स एट द एंड्स which keeping the some resistance is called the end resistance. The error due to them is called the end error, and the corresponding connections are called the end connections. The wire may get heated due to the passage of the current, and its resistance might change. Therefore, minimize this error. The current is passed for a short period and reading is taken quickly. Therefore, we should use the key for this purpose.